Landry, what does a lion say? What does a monkey say? What does a cat say? What does a horse say? What does a horse say? Landry, say neigh. What does a cow say? Landry, look at mommy. What does a cow say?
No.
What does a cow say? Moo. Yeah.
There you go.
What does a dog say? What does a doggy say? Yeah, good job. What does a fish say?
What's a fish say?
Landry, do it again. What's a fish say? What does a skunk do? What do we do when we see a skunk? No, that's a rabbit. Yeah, P.U. What about a rabbit? What does a rabbit say? What does a wolf say? What does a wolf say, Landry? Wolf says, ow! Hey, Landry, what does an elephant say? He made the motion, but he didn't make the sound. What does the elephant say? Landry, what does the elephant say? Oh, that's a snake. Yeah, you're being a snake, like your book. What does a hippo say? You're not doing it. What does an alligator say? What does the alligator say?